Hey friends, thanks for stopping by to watch another video. If you are new here, welcome. My name is STACI Dunn, and in today's video, I am going to share with you what is inside of my planner pouch that I take with me everywhere. So if that's something you like to see, just keep watching. Alright you guys, so this pouch is where I keep everything basically for my daily planning inside. I did get this little bag here from Ross or Burlington, of one of those kind of stores. So we're going to go ahead and hop in, and I am going to show you what's inside of here. So opening it up, I have inside of here my planner along with my sticker book, my clipboard, as well as my planning supply. So we're going to pull everything out and show you. So this is the planner I am using this year. It is a mini HP size planner. So if you want to see how this planner looks on the inside, be sure to go check out the video where I do a detailed flip through of this planner. Now the next thing I keep inside of here is my sticker book. I am very functional when it comes to planning, so I do just have a whole bunch of functional stickers. I went the route of making mostly all my stickers this year. The only thing that I did not make would be like the icons. These came out of a recollection sticker book, so I keep that inside of there. So when it's time to plan, I just pick up this little bag here and I have everything I need. I always keep a clipboard inside of there because I am left-handed, and sometimes it's just easier for me to write on the clipboard versus writing inside of the planner. And the very last thing that I have inside of this bag, you guys, is just a planning tool pouch. Inside of here, it looks like I have some washi, an eraser, tweezers, whiteout, some microns, Tombos, and it should have a friction pen in there because that is my pen for this year. Because prior to that, I was using a mechanical pencil because I hate having to white out mistakes in my planner. So I was using that, but now that I've discovered a friction pen, that is what I'm using. So you guys, when it is time to plan, this is all I have. This is all I need with me. So if you're looking to plan on the go, it would be great to find you a little pouch where you can put everything in that you need, and that way it's not overwhelming or anything like that. So I'm going to go ahead and just toss all of this back in here really quickly, and as you can see, everything fits really nice. So I start with my planning pouch, then I place in my clipboard there, stickers, and last but not least is my planner. So let's get her in there. And as you can see, I still have room for a whole lot more inside of here, but I'm not going to add anything else. I actually like how simple and compact it is and easy to carry. So when I go to work, I actually take this and put it inside of my work bag, so I'll have it with me. If we're traveling or going anywhere like this, this is really convenient to take. Most of the time I just grab it like this, throw it in the seat with me, or if I'm driving, of course, on the next seat. But if I'm on the passenger side, just kind of throw this at my feet and I have everything I need. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, turn on the notification bell so you won't miss my next video. And until next time, love, bye.